Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we are actually looking at what is Boost Mobile doing to help their current customers with this pandemic that we have going on. I usually don't make these kind of videos because I'm no health expert at all, guys. So, don't take any of my advice with this virus. Like I said, this is what Boost Mobile is doing to their current customers just to help them with these, harsh times. So this is, of course, we're talking about the COVID-19. This is the coronavirus, but official, I guess, name is COVID-19, and I know it's affected a lot of people during these times. So I like to make these videos to see what other prepaid carriers are doing to support, their, like I said, their current customers during these hard times. So today we're talking about, of course, Boost Mobile and what they're doing. So it's very nice that they actually have this plan laid out on their website. So if you go to boostmobile.com, and it's right on top, right under the 4 unlimited lines for $25 a month. So it says, we're committed to keeping our customers safe and connected. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are currently experiencing high call volume and long wait times. We ask for your understanding and encourage you to use self-service options through My Account or My Boost app. That is so true, guys. I want to talk to this topic real quick. We actually called Boost Mobile the other day. I was trying to get an account number for somebody, and I'm not even kidding. We waited an hour and a half and nobody even picked up. It actually hung up. We called a second time about 30 minutes later, waited another hour 40, and finally someone picked up. But yes, guys, just know that if you're calling customer service, it's going to be at least an hour. It's kind of like calling the IRS. So good luck with that. Now, of course, some of these countries, as you know, Boost Mobile, their customer service is overseas. So, of course, other prepaid carriers are having this issue where they're shutting some of these call centers down, or maybe they're transitioning to doing it at home. So, of course, it's eliminating staff, and they don't want so many people in a room because a call center, one person gets sick and you're going to get everybody sick. So that's just my opinion on that. But we can go to our COVID-19 plan. It says our COVID-19 plan. It says, as more and more people across the country are being impacted by the coronavirus or COVID-19, we want our customers, employees, and communities to know that during this very difficult time, Boost Mobile is putting in place the following measures to help customers impacted by this event. Basically, the health and safety of our customers and retail employees is our number one priority. So another thing with this, talking about their retail stores, some of them might shut down. So just know it depends locally where you're at and how severe it is. If your government says that they're shutting everything down, then of course they might not have a retail store. Stock could be limited as well. I've had this issue where trying to get iPhones is pretty hard right now, because they've shut a couple factories in China and stuff, and that's mainly where we get all our products. It says, we also know you are relying on your Boost Mobile service to stay connected to friends and family. If you need support with your account due to unexpected financial impacts, please call us. Now, one thing that I read this previously, one thing that they don't say about this is, at least I had a customer come in saying that Boost Mobile is actually paying their service for a month. So that's pretty cool. If you really, can't pay your bill or something, you can call Boost Mobile. From what I've heard, they will pay your monthly bill. Now, I'm not sure, if it's a single line or if the whole, family lines, if you have 4 or 5 lines. I don't know exactly. It's just the customer let me know that, hey, Boost Mobile said it's cool, they could pay my monthly bill. So that's pretty cool. So maybe they were just doing that to everybody, but, or maybe just people that are having, hard time trying to pay their bill currently. Additionally, starting March 18th, guys, these are the extra things that they're doing. It says customers will automatically receive complimentary international calling rates from the U.S. to countries defined by the CDC as level 3 through April 30, 2020. Wow. So until April 30th, guys, you will get lower rates calling internationally to, the countries that are categorized as a level 3 by the CDC. It says waiving reactivation fees for customers through April 30th. That's another thing that I've seen a lot of carriers doing, is if you have late fees or reactivation fees, they are waiving all of that. So that is pretty nice that a lot of carriers are doing this. Like I said, today we're mainly talking about Boost Mobile, but I know other carriers are doing this as well. Now it says starting March 21st, which is today, at least from the making of this video, customers currently on an unlimited data plan with Boost Mobile will automatically receive an additional 20 gigs of mobile hotspot on their plan at no extra cost through April 30th, 2020. No need to call, care, or update your account through boostmobile.com. So this will be an automatic thing that they will give you an extra 20 gigs of mobile hotspot for free, which is an amazing deal. So if you already have some plan with hotspot, you will get an additional 20 gigs of hotspot, which is very nice. A lot of people I know are working from home, and Best Buy's here in my local town. They're pretty sold out of everything: computers, Chromebooks, doesn't matter. Even computer monitors. People are buying TVs to use that as a computer monitor, which is crazy. But a lot of people are being told, hey, you have to work from home, so this is what they have to do. So it's very nice. A lot of people here too don't have access to internet. I'm blessed that I do have internet here in my home, but I know a lot of people live in maybe some rural areas or places that internet's not available, or maybe it's slower than their Boost Mobile speeds. So it's nice that they can get an extra 20 gigs of data to FaceTime or get on a computer or tablet or TV to keep up with news or just do your work, which is great. Students I know have been impacted a lot. They're actually being kicked out of their dorms, at least here in my town. They're saying basically go back home. So it's hard, especially if you're an international student. But I said, a lot of kids do have to do, even normal kids here, the schools are closed, have to do all their schoolwork from home. So that's something that you have to keep in mind. It says you will not see these extra gigs added to your current mobile hotspot allotment. For information on how these additional gigs will be allocated to your plan, please see the FAQ below, which is down here. So it says current customers on a capped data plan with Boost Mobile. So this is like if you have, capped data, will automatically receive an additional 20 gigs of data on their plan at no extra cost. So if you don't have an unlimited plan, like let's say you have a plan that gives you, 3 gigs, you'll get an additional 20 gigs, which is great. This is going through April 30th, of course. No need to call, care, or update your current account through boostmobile.com. If you need additional mobile hotspot, check our other rate plans where you can actually buy more if you need more. You will not see these extra gigs, blah, blah, blah. Same thing kind of with the data. So, and then of course here is the FAQs. So it says, how will the additional 20 gigs be allocated to my account? Additional 20 gigs allotment will not be added to your current data / hotspot. Blah. The way this additional data will be allocated to your account will be as following. We will not count your first 20 gigs of data / hotspot usage. Once you have exceeded 20 gigs of free data / hotspot usage, you will start using your normal allotment of data. So wow, it won't count the first 20 gigs of data mobile or the hotspot. After that, it will start using. But if you have an unlimited plan with Boost, then you don't really have to worry about it. But like I said, you can still make your payments online even if the store is closed. You can do auto pay and all that stuff. It says if I'm on a family plan, am I also eligible to receive the additional 20 gigs of data / hotspot? Yes, all lines on a family plan are eligible for an additional 20 gigs of hotspot. Wow, / data, which is great. So everybody on the family plan will be able to get this. So if you have a family of 4, that's a lot of data right there. But like I said, you can see all this information here. It says, is my local Boost Mobile store still open? You can contact them, maybe potential different times and hours. So, wow. But yes, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, do you like this type of video? Like I said, it's a quick video just to see what Boost Mobile is actually doing for their current customers. And like I said, I won't do any kind of anything crazy. And like I said, everybody stay safe and clean your devices and your hands and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. And then on to the next video when more information of this comes out. Like I said, look at your local health guidelines and listen to your government and all that stuff in your city to see what to do. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. And one last thing, guys, before I just finish this video, it reminded me that it is pretty important to keep yourself clean. And if they do quarantine your city, like I said, it's a good way to maybe boost or change your plan to an unlimited plan. You can always change it back. That way you can have unlimited data, at least on your phone, so that you're not that bored. Get a tablet or something like that for the kids. But there's different, different things, especially like I said, if you have loved ones overseas, it is a little more difficult like that. But like I said, it's very important to stay calm and all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, thank you.